Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about hot water heaters and the technological advances. Sometimes it's hard to get the words out of how we have progressed from what we had back in the day to what we have now. And that is just, now you have different types of hot water heaters. But the ones that were you actually had, and different types were, the different types of hot water heaters were natural gas, propane, and yes, they had oil-fired hot water heaters. But you see that mostly up north. An interesting little fact. In 1868, Benjamin Marvin invented the gas geyser, which passed cold water through electrical wires, and it wasn't safe because of the ventilation. In 1889, and everybody who's in the HVAC industry knows this name now, and that would be Edwin Rudd invented the first tank hot water heater. And you got natural gas, electric resistance, heat pump, oil fired. You got tank water systems, tank water tanks. They look like a big tank. Those were the first ones to come out. Then you got instantaneous. You turn the hot water on, it would come on and you'd have hot water. Then you have tankless, which is in boilers. And all a tankless is a coil. The cold water passes through that coil. And then when the boiler fired up, it would heat that coil, and that's how you had hot water. And then you got solar powered. In other words, it used the power of the sun to heat the water up. I don't know how good that would work. Yes, we have come a long, long way. Even boiler technology has come a long way. We've gone from coal-fired to oil, natural gas. We made a lot of technical, and the electric. We made a lot of advances in the water heater industry. And all a hot water heater, electric one is, there's an element in the top and an element in the bottom. So when you want water, it would heat up the top one, and then I really don't know how that works, but there's elements inside the heater, and that's what heats up the water inside the tank. Thank you for listening to me mess this up a little bit. I apologize for that. But we have come a long way with hot water heaters.